As an authorized GateHawk dealer, you have the ability to contact GateHawk support team for a variety of issues. This video will walk you through how to access support from the GateHawk dealer portal. After you've logged in to your GateHawk dealer profile, you'll want to locate your profile icon in the navigation bar. Clicking on it will open the drop-down menu with the GateHawk support option listed at the top. Clicking this option will redirect you to the GateHawk dealer support portal. You can also access this portal by going to the GateHawk website, clicking support, and then clicking on dealer support. The first thing you'll want to take note of while in the support portal are all of the knowledge base articles available to you. If you're having questions or issues related to specific features or functions of the GateHawk platform, please view these articles as your first step in troubleshooting. If you've already browsed the knowledge base and can't find the answers you're looking for, you'll need to submit a new support ticket to our support team. To file a support ticket, you'll want to locate the How Can We Help You Today section. From there, you'll want to click on New Support Ticket. This will open the Submit a Ticket form. You'll need to complete each of the required sections and be sure to explain the issue in detail. The more context our team has of the issue, the quicker we can start providing solutions. Once you've filled out the form, you'll need to click the Submit button. If you no longer wish to submit the ticket, please click Cancel. If you're facing an urgent issue or are needing clarity on the status of your current support ticket, you can call our support team directly using the number provided here. Throughout the year, our support team is able to receive requests 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. However, our typical in-office hours are 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If your request has been flagged by our team as an emergency, you'll be contacted first among those on the current wait list. If the issue is not flagged as an emergency, our team will contact you within 3 days of submission. All changes to your request will be documented through email updates.